Hello everyone, today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in this '03 Honda Civic EX. Now in this vehicle, the cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. So what we have to do is remove this, and to do that you open it up and make sure you remove all the junk you have inside. It's a good time to clean the glove box now while you're at it here. And then this first step, or the second step rather, we need to remove these door stops. Okay, let's go ahead and remove this first stop here. Slowly pry down and push. Same with the bottom one. And you can see it will pop right out like so. And then you can lift the glove box door up and pull the clip towards you. You have to pull it through the slot then. You have to maneuver this and pull it through. Like that. Same thing for the other side. The same setup. Okay, now that both stops are removed, the glove box door will swing down like so. Just let it hang. And if you look back here, this door right here needs to be removed, and that's where the air filter is behind. So, first thing you want to do is on the left side here, there's this clip. If you look at it, you can see it there. You need to simply put your finger on there and pull it like this, and then it will swing out like so. And then you can remove it from the slot. Slot right there. Pull it out like that. And then there's your first filter right there. Pay attention to the arrows, the airflow arrows right there. And what you want to do is just grab this here and pull it straight out. Okay, set that aside. And we have one more in here. Don't forget the last one. You can see it here. Slide it to the left. And then pull it straight out. Okay, you can see all the junk in there, debris, bugs, whatever. Alright, here's the brand cabin air filter I chose, Purelator. It's great. American brand, made in USA. So there's your part number. Now, this is the first one removed, this is the last one. So, now these filters can only be removed one way. You see the plastic cross pieces on the back there. So you just simply pull up on it, remove it, and throw it away. And pay attention to the airflow arrows as you're doing this. Okay, and the new one will go in like so. Simply push it down in here. Just watch the filter plate on the end here. Okay. There we go. Same thing for the other one. Okay, we are now ready to install these cartridges. So this was one that came out last. So simply slide this in like so. Push it all the way to the right. And the last one is right in next to it. Okay, now those are in. This door can go back on. Make sure it clips in. There we go. That's it. Now the glove box door. We'll put those stops back in. What you have to do is you have to put this piece with the rubber on it first. Goes in like so. You simply push this clip in. Okay, that one's in. And same thing for this side. Alright, both of those bumpers are in. And that is it. Now you can load all your junk back up in there or clean it out, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps.